Hello, our team is made up of Quirino, Arias, Jiménez, Alejandro, Flores, Cornejo, Martín, Padilla, and me, Jorge, Ulises, Casillas, Macías. And we are students of the Polytechnic University of Aguascalientes. In this view, we will show you the simulation of a circuit elaborate in the matter of advanced manufacturing. As we already know, manufacturing is a phase of the economic production of goods. This circuit has as its main function the control of the direction of rotation of a three-phase engine. In order to achieve this circuit, it was necessary to comply with some consideration here by the teacher, which are the following.
The motor will change the direction by pressing different switches. Once a switch is pressed, the motor doesn't stop turning. A protection device is added in the circuit. The motor doesn't change its direction abruptly. It is added a start-stop circuit to control the source supply. The circuit shown on the screen is the result after the instruction. I will now proceed to explain its operation.
The first thing to do is to play the program and then energize the circuit through a circuit breaker that also serves as a start and stop button in the general. We can see how the energy reaches the contacts. The next step is to press one of the buttons, so that engine turns right or left. After pressing any of these buttons, one of the coils is energized, which through its contacts causes the energy to start in a respective direction, while in turn disabling the other button, so that in case of being pressed it does not work, and does not generate a sudden change in the rotation of the engine. This serves as protection.
If you want to change the rotation of the engine, what you have to do is to press the button above that is S0, which works as a normally closed contact. So when you press it, this will open, which energize the circuit, and the coil that is turned on in the moment will be turned off. By end, your contacts will move to the their initial state, allowing you to press the other button to change the rotation of the engine. Finally, the circuit has a thermal relay that serves as protection in case there is a short circuit. If this happens, one of its contacts opens and no longer allows the page of electricity to dis-energize the circuit and prevent the engine from being damaged. For our part will be everything. I hope you like the video and that it has been made clear to you how the spin of a three-phase motor is controlled.